We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2005 Honda Shadow Spirit. So we do have disc brakes, which is really nice for the year. She shifts really well, no issues. Do have some saddlebags and a passenger backrest. And nice tall windshield. Key is on the left-hand side, right here. Bike is carbureted, but since I rode it over here, we don't need it to start, and she'll start right up. And miles are really low. We are at 3,461. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.